my first car show. Say hi, Zane. This is Zane's car. It's pretty sweet. The fit. Can't really see it, but look at that one. Oh, look, look! Look at this base. That's pretty cool, man. Yeah. Oh, it's getting popping here.
I gotta take this in my own car.
He does have lights in his hood. That is wild. I feel like that guy wins the car. It's hand painted?
Yeah, it's hand graffiti.
Holy crap. That's insane.
Yeah, it's graffiti art.
Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying.
He custom did his hood.
That's really cool. Hi, Zane. Oh, look at that. Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm happy to be here with you today. I took a little bit of a break while I did the building the summer outfits. And I enjoyed that. I hope you guys did too. But I am happy to be back to my regular scheduled content because I miss blog shooting. I'm very much a creature of habit and very much routine oriented. So I definitely missed blog shooting, taking pictures, editing, you know, stuff like that. And I had so many ideas for outfits. And I'm like, God, I don't have time. I don't have time to like build these summer outfits, film them, and take pictures too. Ugh. It was hard. It was hard, but it was a good lesson in time management. It was good to like do something a little different. But I am very, very, very happy to be back. So today we were blog shooting and we've got kind of a Parisian look going on. Today I've got a few looks actually that I'm excited about, but this is one of them. And this is a little crop top. It's from Dressed in Lala, which is a store I recently found online. And this is my first time trying it out. I'm going to do a whole video kind of reviewing that place and a few other ones. Excuse me. So we'll get to that in a minute, but I got some little charms that kind of go along with the shirt. You can sort of see. And then I've got some paper bag shorts, some detailed tights, boots, and I'm gonna put it on, but you guys can't make fun of me, okay? It completes the ensemble. You'll see what I mean. I'll be right back. What do we think? I feel somewhat silly, but I think it's just because I've never worn one before. So I feel like I'm not wearing it right, but you'll see what I mean. Like when I start taking pictures, I feel like it really it goes well with the look. So we're gonna try it. Worst case scenario, we just take it off and keep going without the hat. So, but don't be mean. Be kind. All right, we're gonna get started. feeling the beret. What do we think? I think I kind of like it. I think it's a good look for this ensemble. I think it complements it very well. What do you guys think? We're back and we've got another fun look. It's I actually started shooting this the other day, but I don't know, it was hot, I was kind of tired, my heart just wasn't in it, so I wanted to spend some more time with it today, get a few more pictures in it. It's this really fun shirt from House of Jade Sky. I went to an event there. Well, it was actually at Roman Dwell, a boutique in Uptown Charlotte, but House of Jade Sky has some pieces there as well. And I found the shirt and I loved it, like, immediately, and it matched my shoes, so it was meant to be. Ugh, my hair, y'all, bear with me. But anyway, I paired it with a metallic skirt, which I love, my mom hates. And then I've got a little pop of neon, plus I've got my green sparkly shoes and a really cool jacket that I made. What? I didn't really make it. I just ironed on some patches, but it still looks really cool. I can't wait to show you. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and hopefully we can get some good stuff in. Come along.